Yeah, yeah, Shadi Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes! Get the oats, get the supplement, get the nuts, get the nothing made, blame it up, turn it to your head, get a gal and just go get your children.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And big up to the people who are watching on Facebook too. Follow the page, you know.
Very badness, come like a franchise. Pull up on your ends, it now go in nice. I'll steal to mouth like hot fries. Me come fi kill me, no come fi think twice.
So, on today's episode, we are going to talk about Vybz Kartel's son, Little Addy, getting a girl pregnant at only 15. The internet attack a bag of things, you know, people. The internet attack a bag of things. Some people are beat Little Addy and I say, yo, Jano Star, him no for do that. That's a folly move. Some people are beat Alkaline. I say, yo, watch you know. Vybz Kartel, Little Youth, come breed a girl before Alkaline. And some people are beat Shorty. Anyway, we're going to talk about all of those things. But before we start talk about the little mix up, we are going to highlight the artist. Because you know, say anytime we highlight credit, you know, it's well deserved. So this artist goes by the name of Stay Strong. Him have a new song where I promote. It's called Performance. People want to check it out because the artist is bad. And I love how him deal with the track. So see it, yeah?
Yeah. BJ boy. Fire stick. Selassie. Girl conduct.
First, me have to dash some credit over Pun's entertainment side. Because, you see, when you hear the rhythm me start chomp, the artist don't necessarily have to give one bad intro. Because the rhythm by itself is a bad intro. People, me not tell a lie. Him smooth on the track. The rhythm a kick. One more no one. The youth sound like an artist. We out there and win Grammy already. Well, not necessarily Grammy, you know, but I mean him out there, him sound established. Him sound like him a artist we are DJ 10-15 years. Him voice commanding, him voice alone and the rhythm compilation make you just want to listen to the whole of the track. But make we pray some more, right?
Praise me, better you check the dentist. Say the teeth I go pulled up when me press this. And the devil salute me and promote me. So no boy can bring no chat to me. I just load performance. When you see man dog performance.
I just loan performance. When you see man dog performance, me I tell you say the song catchy. And you see once you have a catchy song, you have a hit song. You see me, I just you have to go and go all out on the song, but Stay Strong done go all out on the song already. And the people if listen it and find the talent and go over and page from now. Be a fan from early and don't wait till the artists get bigger than Massacre, bigger than Alkaline, bigger than Vybz Kartel. Uno go say, oh, watch you know, I'm an artist from long time. Oh, so uno feel like say one artist can bigger than them name that what we are talking about. Listen how the man voice sound commanding. People, all of them artists there, them start at zero. So them artists are now Stay Strong and them artists there are the new generation of artists. Youth, you are going good.
The clip them full like a stadium. Top one, you know, cranium. When one escalate, them a try escape. Gunshot, but me them hit like tape.
Well, Stay Strong. I say you have money at that way. Jano Star, give me a couple of them dollars then. Anyway, still, people, that is the song and I want to really go pre it out. I'm going to put the link in the description. You see me? Or put it in the comment section. Look somewhere about. We are going to pin it. I want everybody and their mother run. Go over the page here. You see me? Over Akam page there. You see it? So I just put the link in the description. Run, go over there and listen to the full song. I make him know say a Chaddy More TV send you over there. Zine?
Get the oats, get the supplement, get the nuts, get the nothing made, blame it up, turn it to your head, get a gal and just go get your children.
So a lot of people have something to say about this whole situation where the youth get a girl pregnant. You see me? They must say him a 15 and him should not think about that. Him should not think about him school, book work and them thing there. Which me not see nothing wrong with that, you know. As in what the people must say because a real thing. Him young. But you have to understand say things do happen. Wow, you feel say because of Vibes Cartel Pitney, nothing can happen to him. Oh, him's perfect and everything. No, things happen and it done happen already, you know. We not gonna tell the girls if we go dash the belly. Oh, that no for no one to do. We not gonna do that because we not support that something around here. So watch you now. No for no mother did breed young. No for uno we attack the dash rebelly at them age there. So watch you know, uno have to just allow the people and know say yo, I saw it go. You see me? I understand where don't for them I say still, you know. Them I say them a praise the situation as in the youth are 15 and him have a girl, which people, kids who know watch this, it too young for have a youth them time for true, but it done happen already. What we are gonna do about that? We can't talk about the past, we have to talk about the future, don't. And no for artists and alright, we not gonna make it stop at artists, but no for all the people we attack. You know, at 30 and over 30 and have a youth, what you do to yourself? Vibes Cartel, turn grandfather now, officially grandfather. A long time some people are calling that grandfather still, you know. But him a grandfather now. So, him youth have a youth before some artists. How me attack? Leave it in the comment section below.
Get a girl and just go get your children. Get a girl and just go get your children.
So as far as how me see, Vibes Cartel don't have a problem with it and Shawty don't have a problem with it. And why me say so is because of this post we make over Pinkwall. So someone comment under, I think it's Shawty page, and say, you should be ashamed of yourself as a mother. Father is a failure and so are you. Whoa, yeah, that hot. Anyway, I hope when a boy breed your little girl, you find it as equally entertaining drunk like you. Now Shawty reply under that post and say, hungry nice Sunday, I know, LOL. So you can say, yo, them not really business about the situation. I just the fans them and people have something to say, want something to say and them thing there. And me definitely have to read a comment. The comment just say, yo, so Garrick Akeem say, yeah youth, you breed a girl before alkaline. Like you must save him oil for fish fry. Yo. I don't know say people are going through Vibes are going through alkaline because I know him don't have a youth. Or we don't know of him have a youth. Because you know say alkaline life kinda private away. So I know me don't know if alkaline no have a youth, but him just don't show it up in the media. Because alkaline keep him life private. But that person I say still. Enough people just feel away over the fact that it look like it's a baby shower Shawty keep for them, you know. And I say Shawty should add fuel to that. You see me? Shawty should really promote it. But yo, as I say, you just have to understand. I feel them life. Them do what them want them to do. Because the youth are not the first person for go breed smarty girl Pitney so young. And a matter of fact, allegedly the girl is somewhere between 18 and 17. So her age not that bad. Probably she done school already. Who knows? I don't know. If you don't know, leave it in the comment section below. And you know say the youth are 15. No, the youth young, yes, but him a making money and him a do the do. So if them want to look upon it as a mistake, them look upon it as a mistake. I know say the youth now look upon it as a mistake. Vibes Cartel, me not think I look upon it as a mistake. And definitely Shawty a stand by him son. And more asks no for Uno this since Uno a bash the people. What would Uno do? What would you do if you have one little youth where I'm 15 and you get to find out say in breed smarty girl Pitney, or even vice versa, you have a girl child and you get to understand say somebody breed your girl Pitney at 15, what would you do? You see me? May I tell you honest truth, in a them situation here, you just have to give support and just talk to them. And that alone we can do. Nothing else. Where you go do? Dash ready Pitney? No, we not do that something here around. So we not do that around here. So you see me? Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole topics we discussed today. And remember, that song the by Stay Strong when in performance, I want to know if you go check it out. The link in the description or it's in the comment section. Just look, you definitely are gonna see it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? I'm out a one way and any other way or the wrong way.